Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Monday Morning Minute. It is March 16th, 2020. Not sure where to begin. Last week was one of the most incredible weeks to watch from a market perspective I've seen in my entire career. Not only did we have two of the worst days in 50 plus years, we also had the best day in almost that same time period. Going back to 2008, we have not seen anything like this volatility. The VIX levels are absolutely off the charts, and this looks likely to continue this week with markets hitting circuit breakers in overnight and likely at the open this morning as well. A couple of bright spots is if you have fixed income in your portfolio, you have likely seen a little bit of stability from the fixed income piece. Yield curve dropped exponentially last week. There was a midweek spike. Along with the yield curve, we've also seen mortgage rates come down quite a bit over the last few weeks, which is great if you're looking to refinance your home or something like that. What's incredible, though, is we are seeing what is called a demand shock, or the markets are at least bracing for a demand shock. And the simplest way to explain what that is a rapid decline in demand for goods and services. While many pundits out there are screaming for a recession, it is too early to tell if that's actually in the cards at this point. But short-term damage definitely will be done, and there's no way to avoid that. So from our perspective, remaining diversified, carrying slightly more cash is kind of the strategy at this point. With the Federal Reserve over the weekend slashing rates to near zero and injecting an enormous amount of liquidity, we should see continued downward pressure on yields. And we should also likely see the dollar weaken a little bit. So there could be some opportunity in global markets as they begin to work themselves through the coronavirus pandemic. Southeast Asia stocks are proving a little bit more resilient than other parts of the world, as they may have gone on the other end of the curve here and seeing a bit of a decline in overall new cases and deaths. Remember, hope is not an investment strategy. Please have a happy and safe week out there. Take care.